If you've ever wondered what a pond looks like that's never ever been cleaned in 30 years, well, you're in the right place. Customers elderly, they can't manage the pond anymore, filters have been off, pumps not been running, it's an absolute mess and it's full of muck. Come with us, we're going to go clean it out. Okay, so here we are, today's job. Been called in to clean it out. Little box filter here that needs a clean. I think there's loads of old plants and lilies and things in there somewhere, so we'll get those out, get all the leaves off the net, take all the sediment and leaves and things and everything else out of there, give it a nice clean, get the filter going again, pump needs cleaning. Nice little winter clean. Time to unload the van. YouTube has a new feature called Hype, basically designed for small channels like ours to get seen better on YouTube, because it's really hard. I'll show you how to do it on this video, so if you can, it'd be awesome. Click like and hype us up. Okay, so that's most of the stuff out the van. We'll have to move all these pots in a sec, take off the net, and then we'll pop in the big pump down there, start pumping the water out. What do you reckon's down there, George? You think it's a messy one or not?
I reckon this is going to be
It could
really
be a
messy.
One of those surprise jobs, I think.
Think it's
It
going
doesn't
to be.
look too bad from here, but
Think it's going to be one of those jobs I really don't want to be doing today.
why's that?
Might be feeling a little bit worse for wear today after last night.
Good way of clearing a hangover, go to work. If you want to buy gloves for a pond in the winter, £6 from Wicks. They're not proper pond gloves, but check out that.
They are warm.
Toasty. It's coming off right?
Yeah, it doesn't seem to have grown in too much.
It looks quite new actually, the net.
Yeah.
Fairly new. I'll plug her in and we'll fill this tub up quick. Here she comes. Whee! That'll blast out. Dead fish.
It's coming.
That's it, pond's clean. Okay, so the pond's going down now. Just giving the filter a little blast out. George is going to take all the plants off down there.
Hello.
Time to see how deep this pond is. Ah, okay. Little shelf there. Some gravel in. Ooh, a bit deeper down there. Oh yeah, it goes down quite deep down there. Right, so start jet washing the edge. Do you want to just move anything off the sides for me? Just going to stop the pump because it's gone down to a lower level. We'll get some of the fish out that we can see, and then look at the size of that thing. That's just one big water lily there.
Oh shit.
That's probably its original pot, I'm guessing, and it's grown out, or perhaps there's more than one. Another plant there needs a little trim back, and that one in the corner. A few little fish in there. As you can see, it's quite a lot of stuff out the bottom. Right, it's quite an old pond, so let's have a little inspection of the liner. So it looks like a Firestone rubber liner, 1 mil thick probably, and then loads of little blanket weed growing on the side, but that should be okay. We'll get the jet wash on that. Should be able to get most of that off. So it's quite funny. We've done quite a few videos like this, cleaning out ponds, and we get quite a lot of comments, mainly good, but there seems to be pond cleaning police out there that literally hate it if you clean out a pond. But I do understand about, you know, bacteria and everything and all the rest of it. But when the pond gets to this point, there's no way of dealing with it except for starting again. Basically, we have to reset, start from the beginning. So look, I mean, I haven't even got the water out yet, but there's tons of sludge and silt in the bottom, and obviously if you put the pump in there, it's just going to block. So customers are quite elderly, so it's just common sense. We're going to get everything out, we're going to put all the plants back in, so all the same plants go back in, it's all just tidied up a little bit. The pond recovers so fast, so if you are wondering about having pond clean, it's absolutely 100% fine. Everything will be fine. It will balance out within weeks. It doesn't take long. The worst thing you can do is have too many fish and overfeed them, but a pond clean is absolutely fine. So I'm sure I'm still going to get the comments, but pond cleaning police, don't worry, it's okay.
Okay, so this one's slightly different. It's actually attached in the pond. Good thing about liners is nothing grows through them. So when you do come to take these off, it just lifts away. Easy peasy.
The water's low enough-ish, so we're going to try and get these fish out, and then we can get in there and actually start removing all the sludge. Let's have a look how dirty this is. Filthy. Oh.
Yeah, it's heavy, isn't it?
God. Big old duck. Whack, whack. Oh dear. How to cure a hangover. Oh.
Kill or cure?
That's fine.
I think it was alright actually.
This is actually pretty grim. Okay, there's a pot here. Okay, that one could probably go back in.
Oh my god.
Yummy. I mean, this must be like 30 years worth.
Okay, this has never been cleaned out.
No, never. Never been cleaned. The last bits out. We found so many things in the pond. Don't know what that is. Ornaments, frogs.
That's the handle of a spade or shovel, I think.
No, but it's got a pointy bit on it.
Oh, I know what that is.
What?
So when
Okay.
you,
when you put seeds and
seeds
stuff.
and bulbs,
Okay.
and it will have probably measurements on.
time to hoover now. We're on the home straight. Always a good time when the hoover comes out. There's a load of thick stuff at the... Whoa! Shit.
You okay?
Yep. There's a load of thick stuff at the bottom, so don't stick it straight in when you're hoovering. Just skim off the top and work your way down. The hoover doesn't like thick sludge, it doesn't mind finer dirty water, so that will suck it out no problem. Hoovers also don't like things like that. Sticks, twigs. A little bit of water underneath the pond lining here. It's not ideal, but you do get it this time of year. It's been very wet, but it's actually, this line is so strong, it's probably been in here for about 30 years. I don't think this pump's been on the bottom for a very long time, so we'll pop it right in the deep end. Pond is done, so let's go and have a look. It's just filling up, plants back in, everything's back in. Just found out that the customer's not going to put the pump filter on because they're selling the house, so he just wanted the pond cleaned before that. So let's have a little look. Much better. There was a lot of stuff in there, as you probably saw. Well guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, hype and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.